It is August 2026, the economic news is bad, and our data shows the market's internal engine has failed. So why did Wall Street just hit a new all-time high? This is a market clock investigation. To solve this mystery, we must first identify the two key players. First, the fast money. Our data shows the fast money sold aggressively from the peak in June, driving the market's internal force down by over 20%. This was a rational move. They believed the top was in. But then, the anomaly. In the first week of August, the market exploded higher, making a new all-time high on incredibly weak internal force. This was a classic short squeeze, designed to punish the fast money. This leaves us with a critical mystery. The fast money has already sold. The rally was a technical event, not a sign of new strength. The only group left holding the market at these euphoric highs is the long-term investor. They are the key to the entire puzzle. And to understand what they will do next, we must look at what they did in the past. In our next chapter, we will travel back in time to dissect the great market top of 2021, to find the precedent that unlocks the secret of 2026. The investigation continues. Chapter 2 is coming soon. What time is it? Decoding the U.S. market clock. Chapter 2, coming soon. Subscribe. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.